Welcome to Stoneforge. Coach Matt will lead us through the workout for Thursday, April 16th. Today's warm-up is a 12-minute EMOM, rotating through 4 stations at 1 minute per station. The first movement is 8 burpees. Athletes will drop down with chest and hips to the floor, then come back to a full vertical position. Athletes may jump their feet back and up or walk their feet back and up. The second movement is 12 air squats. Athletes will begin by placing their feet shoulder width apart. They will then descend their hips rapidly until the hip crease reaches the top of the knee crease. The third movement, athletes will complete 10 push-ups. Athletes will take up a plank position by placing their hands directly beneath their shoulders. They should form a generally straight line from shoulders to toes or shoulders to knees. They will then lower themselves down to the floor with their elbows gently grazing the rib cage before rapidly ascending back to the up position. Finally, athletes will complete 30 jump ropes or 30 toe taps. When completing jump ropes, the rope passes under the feet 1 time per jump. Athletes will complete 30 jump ropes. If they are unable to, athletes will complete 30 toe taps on an object at least 2 inches off the floor, tapping alternate feet as they move through the exercise. Once again, today's warm-up is a 12-minute EMOM with 4 stations, executing 1 minute per station. Today's skill work is a 16-minute EMOM with 4 rounds of 4 stations. Our first movement is 10 left side bird dogs. Athletes will begin on all 4 with hands directly beneath shoulders, knees beneath the hips. Athletes will raise the left arm up and extend the right leg to form one straight line from left fingertips to right toes. At the start of the next minute, athletes will complete 12 hollow rocks. Athletes will lie flat on their back with only the small of the back engaged to the floor. They will extend legs with toes pointed and extend arms overhead. If athletes struggle to achieve the hollow position there, they will bring their arms down by their sides or to the floors. Lastly, athletes may bend the knee and grasp the knee with the hands. Athletes will then switch their bird dog to the right side, extending the right arm and left leg. Again, athletes should achieve a generally straight line from right fingertips to left toes. The final movement, athletes will complete 10 Superman positions. Athletes will lie face down with hands directly in front of the face and feet extended behind them. They will rise both hands and feet off of the floor, engaging the lower back. They will hold for a second and lower back to the start position. Once again, today's skill work is a 4-round, 4-station, 16-minute EMOM. Today's WOD is Stormtrooper. It is 4 time. Athletes will complete 100 push-ups, 200 lunges, 300 air squats. At the beginning of each minute, athletes will cash in with 20 toe taps. Athletes may partition or break up the reps as desired. Athletes will work until all reps are complete. To begin, athletes will complete 100 push-ups. On the push-ups, athletes will place hands beneath the shoulders. They may be extended to the toes or down on the knees. Athletes will drop down to the bottom position by gently squeezing elbows against the rib cage. Athletes will then press back up to the full extended position. When completing from the knees, athletes should remain rigid from shoulders down to knees. Athletes will also complete 200 lunges. One lunge step is either forward or backward, the knee gently grazing the floor and raising back up to the full up position with feet back in line. Athletes must alternate feet on lunges, but every step does count as one rep. Lastly, athletes will complete 300 air squats. On the air squats, athletes' feet should be approximately shoulder width apart and hips will descend below knee crease. Once again, at the start of each minute, athletes will stop work and complete 20 toe taps. Athletes will alternate feet, tapping the object approximately 2 inches in height. They must complete the 20 toe taps before returning back to the partitioned work. Once again, today's WOD is 100 push-ups, 200 lunges, 300 air squats, partitioned at the athlete's desire. There is again a penalty of 20 toe taps for every minute that the athlete works. Have a great workout, and remember, stay Stoneforge strong.